Okay, it's Sunday the 14th of March 2021 and we're doing an update with the houses across the road. You may remember I did one a while back and things have happened since then. Directly opposite, it's number 9, there's nothing left of it, it's being built. That was the one that was still standing, and the one that was empty before now has got a two-story home there. Unfortunately, it does block a bit of view, and this new one that's coming is going to be similar size apparently. Just going to walk along a little bit and do a proper video of this, and we'll catch it while we got the chance. So that gives you an idea what's going on. Number 7 used to be called the White House before it was ripped down and rebuilt. So that's what we have there. And of course over here we have, which I used to refer to as the castle, but apparently it's officially known around the neighbourhood as the palace, so we'll call it the palace. That's a new house there. That's number 6. That's number 6. That's been there for a while now. That was built a while back. I have got video of the old place that used to be here. So houses are disappearing, unfortunately, as time goes on. The old houses we knew are disappearing. That's quite big, quite a big place. This one here going to be quite big as well. So it gives you an idea what's going on. Otherwise everything's still the same, but there have been some changes. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video.